Hi and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to submit an assignment either using Google Docs and or Microsoft Word, which is the format that we should be using for all assignments that we are turning in. So first things first, you are going to locate the assignment. So for the purposes of this video, we are going to pretend like we are turning in our philosophy statement rough draft, which is one of the first assignments you do turn in. So you're going to locate the assignment. This is in Module 1. You're going to click on the assignment and you are going to hit Submit Assignment. Note that the directions for the assignment, the points, when it's due are all going to be available to you. So you are going to hit Submit Assignment, and underneath here a box is going to show up with two things, either file upload or website URL. If you are choosing to submit your assignment via Microsoft Word, you are going to hit Choose File. From there, you're going to locate wherever you saved the item on your computer. So for people who are unfamiliar with this process, I always recommend saving your assignments maybe to your desktop. If not, your documents is a good area. So I'm going to locate my assignment. I'm going to put in up here philosophy statement. I'm going to find it, hit open. It's going to load it right here. You can see it. And you are going to hit submit assignment. Over here it will tell you that it's submitted. For the purposes of what we're doing here, I was late, but if yours is not late, it should tell you that it is submitted. You can also see submission details. If you click on this, it'll open up what you submitted, and you can see it that way. If you're going to submit assignments via Google Docs, you're going to follow the same process. So you're going to say Submit Assignment up here. This box will pop up. You're going to go to Website URL. So if you're familiar with using Google Drive, you're going to want to switch over to your Google Drive. You're going to want to locate your assignment within your Google Drive. My biggest piece of advice is to make a folder that says CDA and stick everything in there. And of course I went to the wrong folder. So you're going to find your assignment. In this case, it is your personal philosophy statement. You're going to go up here where it says the URL. You're going to copy. You're going to go back to Canvas. You're going to hit paste. And you're going to hit Submit Assignment again. Again, it'll say that it was submitted. You can go to Submission Details. You can click on this, and your paper will show up right there. So that is how you submit an assignment, either using your Google Docs or using Microsoft Word. And again, when we are turning in papers and assignments for this course, they all need to either be in Google Docs or they need to be in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Thanks.